Hi everyone, so today we are going to learn about profit and loss. So at the end of the lesson, we should have defined and differentiated profit, loss, percentage profit, and percentage loss. Identified whether a given problem shows profit or loss, and calculated the profit, loss, percentage profit, and percentage loss. So let's try an activity first. Here you can see 9 different words and we need to categorize them. They would fall under profit or would fall under loss. Let's start with the word that is on the most left. So you have surplus. Where does surplus go? Very good. So surplus goes on profit. How about benefit? Failure. Acquisition. Damage. Income. Debt. Revenue. Deficiency. Very good, everyone. So those are words that are related or synonymous to profit and loss. Now let's define them. So what is a profit? It is the difference between the revenue and the cost of expense. So kapag naalala nyo, pag nagpo-profit tayo, kumikita tayo sa isang bagay. The formula for the profit is P is equal to R minus E, wherein P is your profit, R is your total revenue, and E is your total expenses. For example, we have Amy made 100 pieces of donuts and sold them at 6 pesos each. It cost her 4 pesos to make one piece of donut. If all donuts will be sold, how much will be her profit? So first, let us determine what are the given. You have 100 pieces of donuts, 6 pieces each, 4 pesos per one donut. Given that scenario, how much will be her profit? So you have P is equal to R minus E. What is your total expense? So our total expense is kung magkaano ang ginastos mo. So magkano ba yung puhunan mo? So you have there 4 pesos. And then per one donut. Ilan yung donut na nagawa mo? So you made 100 donuts. So our total expense would be 4 times 100. So simplify, we would get the answer 400. Now, what is your total revenue? So for revenue, ito naman yung presyong pinatong mo na nung binibenta mo na siya. So you have there 6 times 100 kasi 6 pesos na yung benta mo doon sa 100 pieces. And you would get an answer of 600. And then substitute the E and R to our formula. We now have P is equal to 600 minus 400, which is equal to 200. So, 200 is our profit. So, dun daw sa puhunan mong 4 pesos, kada donut, ginawa mo 6 pesos. Pag nabenta mo lahat ng 100 donuts, ang tubo mo ay 200. Now, let's define what is a loss. So, a loss, kabaliktaran lang siya ng profit. Kung ang profit ay nagigain ka, of course, sa loss nawawalan ka. So it is also the difference between the revenue and cost of expenses, but this time the answer should be negative. So bakit kailangan negative yung number? Kasi kapag positive siya, nagigain ka pa rin. Napupunta siya sa profit. Pero kapag nag-negative na yung number natin, mapupunta na siya sa loss kasi wala ka namang kikitain na negative. So dahil nga negative siya, nababawasan ka pa. So nalulugi ka. For example, Amy's friend Selena made 100 pieces of pancakes and sold them at 6 pesos each. It cost her 4.50 pesos to make one piece of pancake. If only 72 pancakes were sold, how much will be her loss? O hindi daw lahat nabenta. So the first thing that you're going to do, write down your given. So you have 100 pieces of pancakes, 6 pesos each, 4.5 pesos to make one piece, and only 72 pancakes were sold. Given that information, how much would be the loss? So we would use the same formula. So P is equal to R minus E. What is our total expense? So that's 4.5 times 100 or 450. On the other hand, what is our revenue? So that is 6 times 72, which is equal to 432. And then we substitute them to the formula, we would get 432 minus 450. And the final answer would be negative 18. So, as you can see, dito sa question na to, nag-negative yung sagot natin. Ibig sabihin, nalugi pa siya. So, kung ang puhunan niya ay 450 pesos, 432 lang yung nabenta niya. Ibig sabihin, hindi niya nabawi yung pinangpuhunan niya. Kaya siya ay may loss. So that would be all for our lesson for today, and I hope that you learned something new. I hope to see you again soon. Thank you very much.